already transfer here in plate. So, ito na yung sauce niya. Ayan. And I use only half of this bottle of Coca-Cola. So, we'll taste it kung anong lasa. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Sarap. Yummy, yummy. Assalamualaikum everyone. Today I'm going to make another recipe or version using this kind of ingredients, just only salt, black pepper powder, and Coca-Cola. You can use also Sprite. So I have this chicken breast, any parts of chicken you can use also. So I have this 2 pieces of breast because yesterday night I cooked chicken curry, so I keep this one for me. So please watch what I have to do for this chicken breast. I already sliced it and I already applied this salt, 1 teaspoon of salt and black pepper. Ayan na ko na nahiwa. Ginanyan ko para ganyan. Pero nalagyan ko na ito ng ng black pepper powder at saka yung salt. Ayan. So, i-leave natin ito ng 10 minutes. Then, watch nyo na lang kung ano yung aking gagawin dito. This one, I have to use this cola. Small bottle of cola. I already put oil here. I use this kind of oil. And in Pakistan, we consume big bottles and this 5 liters. You can use any kind of cooking oil, olive oil, but olive oil is very expensive. So we use this kind of cooking oil. Sometimes there is no available like this, then we buy another brand of cooking oil. So now we'll put this one after 10 minutes. Now we'll fry, half fry. Ayan. Now let's change side para both sides ay maluto o kaya maprito. Baliktarin natin. Ayan. Flame must be slow para hindi masunog. Both sides is already cooked or fried, half fried, so we have to turn off now the flame. And we have to take out now this chicken. And we'll put here. Now we have to take out this oil because we have to cook here again. Like that. Oh, may oil na yung dito. Now we have to put now this Coca-Cola, cola or Sprite. You can use also Sprite. But I watched in video or Facebook, they use cola, so I use this one. Now we have to put this one. Ayan. So better I will not put all this one because this is too much because my chicken is only 2 pieces of breast. Now add this minced garlic and green chilies. Optional, if you want to put, you can put also. Now we have to mix. And then you add this soy sauce. Soy sauce need to buy again because I have little here. So you can add also oyster sauce, but I don't have oyster sauce here. So we have to boil this one, and then we have to put this fried chicken. Now let's check. So it's already boiling, this cola. Now we can put also corn flour or cornstarch. This is optional. So this is only my version, because when I watch in YouTube or Facebook, they did not put this corn flour or cornstarch to become sticky. So I put 1 tablespoon of corn flour diluted with water, little water. Now we can put now this chicken, fried chicken. Ay, sorry. Ayan. So we have to cover it. And then we have to cook this one until become sticky. Yung sauce niya ay katamtaman lang. Then after few minutes, we have to turn side, baliktarin natin para both sides ay ma-mix yung sauce. So ayan. Dinikdik ko pala yung bawang para maging mince siya. So hindi pa luto, i-cover natin. After 5 minutes, we have to check again. We have to change side, baliktarin natin. Ayan. So yung sauce niya ay konti na lang. Ayan yung sauce niya. So we have to cook again for another 3 minutes. Ayan. This is my first time to make this kind of version. By the way, siya nga pala, I'm talking in English because I have some viewers here in Pakistan, especially Japanese. She said that why I'm talking in Tagalog. So, better I talk in English so they can understand, and some also relatives of my husband. Many of my videos, they are not watching because I'm talking in Tagalog. So I'm trying my best to talk also in English. Even my grammar is not good. So at least I can speak little bit English. So that's why I'm talking in English. Pasensya na kayo sa aking English na karabaw. Mali-mali yung grammar. So I think this is already cooked. Yung sauce niya ay enough na. So we have to turn off now the flame, and then we have to transfer in serving bowl or plate.